In the realm of document management, the OEMS document control application stands as a paragon of efficiency and simplicity. With just a few clicks, you can transform chaos into order. Initiate your journey by adding a new document. A simple click on the Add New Document button sets the wheels in motion. Next, a user-friendly form awaits your input. Enter the document title, description, and other pertinent details without breaking a sweat. Submitting your document for approval is a breeze. With the attached document button, your files are securely uploaded in an instant. As your document sails through the approval process, the system promptly alerts the approval authority. A seamless notification system ensures no time is lost. Upon approval, a cascade of emails notifies all relevant parties. The OEMS document control application doesn't just manage documents, it orchestrates a symphony of collaboration and efficiency.